Hey guys, Dan here from STI. Today what we want to talk about, with the launch of the new Ultra Pro R, what other options, because everybody's asking. So one cool thing that we did, we actually launched it at SEMA last year, was our universal E-Link. And what it basically is an E-Link. We have them in 3 different configurations as far as the eyelet goes, and also 3 different lengths. When the system's locked or unlocked with the universal is this. So it's unlocked, it goes and it will blink to warn you that it's unlocked, and obviously the link moves freely. When it's locked, it goes, shuts it off, your light isn't going, but it basically the thing is solid, it's not moving. And you know what I mean, it acts like a normal sway bar at that point. Moving forward, it's like, what other vehicles do we have it for? We've actually been doing it for Jeeps for a long time, and we have both systems available for the Jeep. But the newest and latest thing that we just did is Polaris Expedition. We've been testing it on this vehicle for over a year, and we're just launching it now at King of the Hammers for Expedition. Now, this ties also into our e-click system, so it works like an Ultra, where depending on your mode, it's locking and unlocking automatically. Or if you don't have e-click shocks, you can actually buy it with the universal, and then it's a switch and you just turn it on and off manually. The thing that's so nice though is when it's active, you forget about your sway bar, because it always connects a sway bar only when you need it, and the rest of the time it literally remains unlocked depending on your speed and what's happening. But the comfort level that you get, it changes the vehicle dynamics once again.